Okay, let's start with the sponge for the roll. Beat 3 egg whites and 3 tablespoons of cold water until stiff peaks are forming. And once they're formed, keep beating while adding 2/3 cups of sugar and also 2 tablespoons of vanilla sugar or vanilla extract. If you need the vanilla sugar recipe, it is right here on the top right or in the description. Once it is nicely mixed, turn the mixer off and put it to the side. We need a spatula from here on out. Add 3 egg yolks and gently fold them into the egg whites. Just like that. Then sift a 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder on top of the egg mix, and gently fold it into the eggs as well. Make sure you don't deflate it, so do it gently. Now prepare your baking pan. Oil it and lay a parchment paper on top. Make sure you cover all the sides as well because the dough will rise. I am using a 13.5 by 10-inch baking sheet. This will be a thicker roll. Use a bigger baking sheet if you like it thinner. Now pour in the dough and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until the toothpick comes out clean. Then prepare a moist or wet kitchen towel like this and lay it out. Turn the dough out on the towel with the parchment paper up. And do this while the dough is still hot. Peel off the paper now. Then roll the baked dough into the wet towel. Let it cool, and I usually leave it on my counter, but you can do whatever you like. You even can put it in the fridge if that's what you want to do. Prepare the strawberries and whipping cream while the dough is cooling down. Pick 6 to 12 small good-looking strawberries, and if you only have bigger ones, you can actually halve them. That's what I'm gonna do. And we will use them for the top. Then cut the rest into small pieces. Once all cut up, sprinkle a 1/3 cup of sugar on top and mix them. And then put them in the fridge if you like. For the cream, we need about 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Beat it until almost stiff. Then add 3 tablespoons of vanilla sugar and beat it completely stiff. But you can also use regular sugar. I just like vanilla sugar because it tastes so much better. Now unroll the dough and move it to a clean sheet of paper or area to finish the roll. Cover the inside of the baked roll with whipping cream. Then add the small cut strawberries. And I would leave a little bit of space at the end like you see here. That way, when you do the roll, the strawberries will roll with it. Now start rolling it up. Wow, that's a bit thicker than I expected. I definitely would use a bigger pan next time. Find a plate or tray to move the roll onto, with the seams on the bottom. Now cover the outside with the leftover cream. When you're done with that, melt a 1/2 cup of chocolate and drizzle it over the cake. Well, my chocolate is not super runny, but we love thicker blobs of chocolate anyway, so we're fine. Now add the strawberries to the top and space them so you can slice in between. Then clean up the messy tray a bit and put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This dessert is great for bigger get-togethers. Let's slice it and see how it looks inside. Well, look at that sponge. Nice and fluffy. Perfect. Let's taste it. Yep, I definitely need to eat another piece. That is so delicious. Don't mind me. I see you in my next video.